miniComfort is the only soft daytime and or nighttime mandibular only device that changes habit and that patients love to wear, especially the experienced splint wearers. The unique features of miniComfort are as follows. First, the patented design involves two discluding elements, which prevent the patient from full occlusion. They act as instant feedback to the patient. In other words, when the patient is wearing the appliance, mostly during the day, they are reminded by constant contact with their maxillary canines only that they should open and relax their jaw. This, in effect, trains the patient to keep their teeth apart during the day when they are aware and able to make conscious decisions, unlike when you're asleep. Second, the appliance is partial coverage because the inventor not only wanted early posterior contact to be removed, he also wanted a very comfortable appliance that never needed adjustment. Third, the appliance is retained by saliva through suction, through partial tissue coverage. So simply wet and seat, and there's no adjustment. And fourth, all cases come with two appliances. It's our instant warranty against wear. miniComfort is very simple to seat. In fact, you just remove it from the personalized container, wet and seat. There is no adjustment. In fact, if you adjust it with a burr, the elements will be ruined. If the patient contacts one element earlier than another, that's okay. Just tell him or her to relax and open, and then there is no consequence. Watch some of our other videos to learn about the simple records, cleaning, documentation, and patient conversation, and much more. miniComfort is remarkable, and we know you'll fall in love at your very first seating appointment. miniComfort.